Algo cost could arrive at an expected high of $0.361 toward the finish of 2023. Algorand cost with a potential flood could go as high as $4.368 toward the finish of 2030. The consistently developing crypto space is home to a heap of computerized resources and conventions. One such a rising convention truly is Algorand, which has certainly figured out how to lay out its reign in the business in a significant way. The organization is based on the unadulterated confirmation of stake POS agreement system. Algo truly is a local badge of the stage. The symbolic goes about as an installment entryway to pay for expenses inside the organization, which is genuinely critical. Algorand truly is recorded by the majority of the conspicuous trades like Binance, Coinbase, Huobi Global, Oxtrade, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. Algo value with its assets has figured out how to advance into the arrangement of financial backers, or so they thought. Might it be said that you are excited about putting resources into Algo? Look no further as we bring to you the conceivable value expectations of Algorand for 2023-2025 and the years to sort of arrived incredibly. Algorand value expectation 2023-2030. On the off chance that the group embraces local area driving drives and sees great outcomes from its endeavors around greener NFTs in a significant manner, the further may catalyst from positive social feelings and volumes. Algorand cost expectation for 2023 could go from $0.188 to $0.361 for the year. What is Algorand? The Algorand was established by Sylvia Macaulay. The organization mainnet went live in June of 2019 in a significant way. Algorand stage truly holds the ability to deal with right around 1 million exchanges each day. The organization is one of the perceived pretty open digital money blockchains, or so they thought. The convention expects to convey decentralization and security for the members. Algorand presented the world's first unadulterated confirmation of stake POS central blockchain. Their cutting-edge innovation gives a bunch of proficient layer 1 blockchains that offers versatility, security, and implicit protection. The organization's point is to assemble worldwide trust through decentralization, to offer a rich innovation that drives reception by billions. Algo coin value expectation 2023, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The stage truly is intended to propose cutting-edge monetary items, conventions, and trade of significant worth. Essentially, the organization goes about as a scaffold among decentralized and conventional money. Their future FE item permits clients to make and send tokens, NFTs, stablecoins, and protections. Notwithstanding this, Algorand wallet is an easy-to-understand way for anybody to generally collaborate with the public organization. The Algorand people group could focus on fortifying the convention, as well as the client base incredibly. Toward the finish of 2023, the Algo cost could reach as high as $0.361. On the other side, sort of regrettable analysis and FUD could result in the altcoin flipping down to $0.188. Progressively, a balance in exchange tensions could land the Algorand cost at $0.274. Algo crypto value forecast 2024. Assuming that the group behind the stage utilize formative and local area building drives in the midst of Bitcoin's dividing occasion, heightening unmistakable quality of the altcoin will be enhanced by a conceivable bull run. In such a hopeful situation, the Algorand cost could flood concerning all goals and purposes high as $0.612 toward the finish of 2024. Alternately, factors like administrative clampdowns and stiffer rivalry could check the value projection to the base of $0.335. All things considered, the ordinary cost could land at $0.469. Algorand value expectation 2025. In the following 3 years, Algo could sort of be recorded on many trade stages, and the cost is expected to escalate amazingly. The people group could draw in clients and advertisers with specific coordinated efforts with different undertakings and new companies. It could especially advance sort of greater security to its foundation and may focus on straightforwardness. Wherefore, Algo cost is expected to hit its possible high of $0.896. On the other side, if truly bears in every practical sense keep on overwhelming, the token could sink to $0.514, or so they thought. All in all, obliged by a direct force, with the absence of invigorating drives, Algo's cost could settle at $0.704. Algorand value expectation 2026-2030. Algo value figure 2026. As per our examiners, Algorand cost expectation for the year 2026 could go between $0.821 to $1.248, and the genuinely normal cost of Algo could be around $1.035 in a significant manner. Algorand expectation 2027. As per our examiners, Algo cost for the year 2027 could go between $1.196 to $1.977, and the genuinely normal Algorand cost could be around $1.588 in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand value expectation 2028. As per our experts, Algo cost for the year 2028 could go between $1.686 to $2.606, and the typical Algorand cost could be around $2.066. Algo value expectation 2029. As per our investigators, Algorand cost gauge for the year 2029 could go between $2.138 to $3.591, and the typical Algo cost could be around $2.817. Algorand value expectation 2030. As indicated by our experts, Algo cost expectation for the year 2030 could run between $2.752 to $4.368, and the typical Algorand cost could be around $3.559, which is very critical. Algorand value forecast. Incredibly, the Algorand is by all accounts relentless with a progression of occasions arranged for send-off. This DeFi-based stage is the most ideal interest in the very current extremely questionable market situation, as indicated by planned Algo cost forecast. In the event that the organization dispatches redesigns, for example, liquidity mining and marking, and game producer, send off in an unobtrusive manner, the Algo cost might hit $0.361 toward the finish of 2023, which especially is genuinely critical. On the other hand, in the event that the organization neglects to execute its arrangement, the cost can flip into a negative snare and dunk to $0.188 in a significant manner. Major investigation. The pioneer recently filled in as a teacher of software engineering at the Massachusetts Foundation of Innovation. He was granted the Turing Grant in 2012 for his commitments to blockchain conventions, digital currencies, and electronic money. After research and acquiring sufficient information, he sent off Algorand. Not long after the send-off in 2019, the organization presented a few significant occasions. Algorand 1.0 mainnet was sent off in June 2019, followed by Algorand 2.0 in November 2019. In the 2.0 update, shrewd agreements were presented, and Layer 1 in every way that really matters. Brilliant agreements implement custom principles and rationale. Authentic market opinions 2019-2021. Algorand had started its excursion on 20th June 2019 with a successful exchanging worth of $2.89. Emphatically, the token began to decline at its underlying phase of the excursion and plunged to $1.43 toward July's end. The disturbing negative patterns hauled the cost to 18 cents by September end, or so they thought. Following motions, the year 2019 was closed at 23 cents. Algorand cost generally kept on exchanging at 21 cents. On a negative note,